Now how about the thriller one?
Now let me see your face. I want to see your face. All done. Oh yeah, you're looking like Jeff Hardy.
Do the thriller one. Okay, do the thriller one.
Okay.
Look at Mom.
Yeah, this is what they learned in PE one day.
Look at your mom and do it. Keep going. Can't you do it this way?
Okay then.
Okay, keep going.
I think you just killed something.
That's it.
Let me see it.